Imagine waking up every day feeling unsure of yourself, questioning every thought, every action, every memory. Not because you're mentally unstable, but because someone you trust has made you doubt your very reality. This is the terrifying effect of gaslighting, manipulation so subtle, so insidious, that it twists your mind and perception, distorting what is real and what is not. What is gaslighting? Gaslighting is a psychological manipulation tactic designed to make a person doubt their own perception, memory, or reality. The term originates from a 1938 play Gaslight, where a husband manipulates his wife into believing she's going insane by dimming the gas lights and denying the change when she points it out. This tactic is insidious because it causes the victim to question their sanity, leading them to rely more and more on the manipulator for the truth. How gaslighting works. The manipulation process. Gaslighting doesn't happen overnight. It's a slow burn, like a poison seeping into your system, bit by bit, until you can no longer function without questioning yourself. Here's how it works. The initial doubt: the manipulator begins by making small, seemingly insignificant comments that make you question your memory or perceptions. Are you sure that happened? I don't think it did. These little seeds are planted in your mind, often disguised as concern for your well-being. Escalation of denial: the manipulator denies events, conversations, or facts that you know to be true. They twist reality to fit their narrative. That's not what happened. You're remembering it wrong. This leads you to doubt your own experiences and start second-guessing your judgment. Use of others to further reinforce their manipulation: the gaslighter may involve others in their campaign. They'll tell you that everyone else thinks you're overreacting or misremembering. This creates isolation, making you believe that you're the only one who's crazy. Projection and blame: gaslighters frequently project their own flaws onto you. If they're caught in a lie, they will accuse you of lying instead. This creates confusion and diverts attention from their own behavior, putting the onus on you to defend yourself. Complete control over reality: eventually, the victim of gaslighting no longer trusts their own perceptions, thoughts, or memories. The manipulator becomes the sole source of truth, and the victim lives in a constant state of self-doubt, fear, and confusion. Recognizing the signs of gaslighting. It's easy to be swept up in gaslighting because it's often cloaked in kindness, concern, or subtlety. Here are some warning signs that you may be a victim. Constant self-doubt: you second-guess every decision, even when you've made the right one. You wonder if your memories are correct or if you're misremembering events. Feeling like you can't do anything right: you feel like you can never meet the expectations of the gaslighter, no matter how hard you try. They subtly undermine your accomplishments, making you feel inadequate. Being told you're overreacting when you express your emotions or concerns: the gaslighter dismisses them as overreacting or being too sensitive, causing you to question whether you're exaggerating. Walking on eggshells: you find yourself constantly adjusting your behavior to avoid triggering an outburst or criticism from the manipulator. Isolated from support: the gaslighter may isolate you from friends or family, claiming that they don't understand you or are against you. The psychological toll of gaslighting. The impact of gaslighting is profound and long-lasting. Victims often experience anxiety, depression, and a loss of self-confidence. Over time, they may struggle with feelings of helplessness, constantly feeling trapped in a cycle of manipulation. The gaslighter's power comes from their ability to make you doubt your perceptions, leaving you vulnerable. When you no longer trust yourself, you become entirely dependent on them for validation and truth. This is the foundation of control. The victim is left questioning their worth and questioning whether they can make decisions without the gaslighter's approval. Breaking free from gaslighting: the path to reclaiming your reality. The road to breaking free from gaslighting is challenging, but it's possible. It requires self-awareness, the courage to trust your own experiences, and the support of people who truly care about you. Recognize the manipulation: the first step is acknowledging that you're being gaslighted. Understand that the constant self-doubt and confusion are tactics used to manipulate your perception of reality. Document your experiences. Keep a journal of events, conversations, and moments when you feel manipulated. This will serve as a tool to validate your reality and help you stay grounded. Set boundaries. Establish firm boundaries with the gaslighter. Be clear about what is and isn't acceptable behavior. If they persist in trying to manipulate you, disengage. Seek support. Reach out to trusted friends, family, or professionals. Talking to others who understand the manipulation can help you regain your confidence and clarity. Trust your perceptions. Trust your feelings, your instincts, and your memories. The gaslighter will try to make you question everything, but you must reaffirm your belief in your own experiences. Conclusion. The power to change your reality. Gaslighting is a dark art of psychological manipulation, but it is not invincible. The power it has over you is only as strong as the doubt you allow it to instill. By recognizing the signs, trusting your own reality, and seeking support, you can break free from its grasp and take back control over your mind and your life. You are the one who holds the key to your truth. Don't let anyone take that from you.